When winter rolls around, it becomes a battle of the thermostat in our house. I'll leave the heat off even if it's negative 50 degrees Celsius, but my wife would prefer having it at 150 degrees Celsius if she could. Speaking of temperature, YAGEO Nexensos SMD series temperature sensors are surface mount platinum resistance temperature detectors offering precise measurement over a wide temperature range. The Platinum RTDs deliver high accuracy with long-term stability in a cost-effective SMD package that's AEC Q200 qualified and conforms with IEC 6751. With a 1,000 cycle temperature cycling rating and an operating life of 1,000 hours, the SMD series of Platinum RTDs are ideal for battery packs, data loggers, electronics, HVAC applications, home appliances, medical equipment, and more.